Welcome back to Displacement Garage. My name is Carisha, and today we're going to be washing my car with Chemical Guys products. All the roads on my way home were completely destroyed. New utility poles and new pavement is coming soon to streets near me. And until they make grasshoppers less than 20 grit, you're going to need to spray your car down first. You don't want to be scrubbing bugs on your new paint. Remix this clip with you guys using sandpaper on your beat up vehicles. That would be so funny. Thank you so much. I love piles. While Hasty is spraying off the car, I'm going to go ahead and set up the 2-bucket system. Ooh, what's the 2-bucket system? One is going to be filled with soapy water and the other is going to be filled with clean water. What you're going to need to do with your clean water, whenever you have your mitt dirty, you're going to dunk it in the clean water. Then you're going to move back to your soapy water. Then you're going to go back to your vehicle. You kind of do this in a rotation. As you clean the vehicle, it keeps the mitt a little bit cleaner and it makes the car wash a little bit more pleasant. Most of the car wash, I will start from the top and work my way down. However, I do like to start with the tires and wheels. I know this is a little scary, but we're going to get in there with some Chemical Guys Diablo. This is my most hoarded stash of Chemical Guys products is Diablo. I do not like sharing it. It smells like bubblegum and it cleans like a dream. It is super duper nice. You guys should definitely try this at some point. This is a great addition to any of your car wash kits. Start with the calipers, go to the spokes, then get the tire. Then we're going to rinse. This microfiber towel is going to be designated for wheels and tires only. You do not use this one on your car. I'll show you guys what this towel looks like from just cleaning 2 of the wheels. Ooh, ah. Before I go work on the other side, I like to spray tire shine on this side of the car. This one is a little bit lighter. I like using this one more for like a leave-in conditioner for your car tires, if you will. That one is just going to suck up all that moisture while we're washing the rest of the car. Time to pick out which bucket's getting the soap. My favorite is the Extreme Body Wash and Wax. That is a new label that I do not currently have. This is the old school label. We're going to start from the top of the car and work our way down. Pro tip number 1, do not dry your soap to your paint. It could damage the paint. It also leaves really ugly marks. So what's the point of washing if we're going to do that? So let's avoid it. Let's keep the car wet and move top to bottom. And if you feel like the paint is going to get affected and you can't keep the car wet enough, what you want it to do is do a smaller section. I enjoy using the body panels as reference. I like to go a little bit over the body panel that I'm working on so that way I can make sure I have complete coverage. Also, think like a vampire. Keep it in the shade if you can. You don't want to be washing your car in broad daylight at noon after running it around all day long. The car is too hot and it will quickly dry your paint to your soap. Or your soap to your paint. Whatever. We'll leave that in there. The why behind washing top to bottom on your car is going to work the best for you. It avoids having heavy dirt and grime dragged around your entire vehicle. I like raising the windshield wipers so that way you don't get those little lines on your window. Drives me nuts. All the products I'm using are going to be linked in the description below. The best starter kit I could recommend to you guys is going to be just 2 simple buckets, about 6 microfiber towels, and your favorite car wash solution that you want to try out on your car. The great thing about Chemical Guys product line is you can be as simple with your car wash or as extreme as you would like to get. There's something for every experience level. Sometimes the simple light washing I like to do is just taking the water hose, turning it all the way up to the highest pressure it has, spraying off all the bugs, grime, and dirt that I can, using the foam cannon to spray the entire car, and rinsing everything off. If you guys don't have a lot of time, that's a great way to get a little bit of a wash in. My favorite wash to use with that is the snow foam. I feel like it does the best thick foam on the car that sits on there pretty good. It's also a great photo opportunity as well if you guys like taking thousands of photos of your car. That's you. I know it is. If you need something to do while your old lady's washing her car, might I suggest going to DisplacementGarage.com, where you can get the finest Lucifer merchandise, Houdini merchandise. We've got lots of new colors for fall and they all look fantastic. And if you have merchandise already, be sure to tag us in those photos at Displacement Garage. We would love to see what you're wearing and love to see where you're wearing it at. Legend says that if you wear one of those shirts at an event, you get an additional 5 horsepower per lap. I'd hate to miss out on that. I'm just saying. Finishing up the passenger side of the car and then to the front, the worst part of the whole thing. Ooh, man, there are so many bugs living out in the country. It is unreal, and I have hit 97% of them on the way home. Check this out. This redneck girl is leaf blowing her car. That ain't a hairdryer, girl. What are you doing? I'm lessening the amount of water that is on the vehicle. This is not going to completely dry the vehicle in a short amount of time, but I do want a little bit of that water knocked off so that way we can move on to my next step, which is spray wax. With the spray wax formula chemical guys have, they recommend having just a little bit of water left on your car, which is what we're going to get down to. Spraying a light mist of it on there, massaging that in, and then using the clean side of a microfiber towel to go over it and make sure that everything is polished out and there's no swirl marks remaining. Every single product does a really great job of cleaning and caring for a vehicle. However, I don't think enough people talk about how fantastic all these products smell. It smells like Lucifer's getting ready for a hot date. My next step is to get the tires shined up. My favorite product to use here is the Wet Look Tire Shine Dressing. Spray a comfortable or shameful amount into a microfiber towel and get to shining. Repeat on all 3 remaining tires for the best look. Only do the driver's side if you don't care what the passenger side looks like. YOLO. A completed look. You guys can really tell that the spray wax did a very good job because this blue paint has not reflected a single thing until after this wash. It looks so good. I can see the other cars in the paint. You can even see a little bit more of that pink glittery hue in there from the metallic and the grabber blue. Peep the new license plate. Oh, she's back, baby. Up close of the car. Oh, check the cloud reflection. Dang, that looks good. Obsessed. You can see the whole yard. Oh, I love it. No more grasshoppers over here. And the next morning because I'm obsessed. Leave your best car wash tips in the comment down below. I am so excited to have Lucifer all cleaned up, and I'm going to Ford Fest soon, so I will be doing this again in a couple weeks. See y'all later. Bye.